Yes, my people, my name is Sidley Bunzahid, otherwise known as the Hate Chef, the halal food videographer, and welcome back to another review where today, this is Affordable Eats Episode 3, the finale, Dixy Chicken. So yeah, ordered a Mexican box meal as well as one of their new mango mocktails, so yeah, we'll see how it is. Alright, I've got my loaded Mexican burger meal. This consists of a filler burger with the addition of tortilla chips. I've also got 2 wings, portion of beans, as well as portion of fries. Now let's try the burger. Nice and tender, nicely spiced, crispy butter. The tortilla chips add nice crunch. And yeah, I've got some shredded lettuce, red onion, tomato, and yeah, pretty good. Moving on, we've got the sizzler wings. This comes in a portion of 2. Let's try them. Bismillah. Let's try the beans. I wanted a portion of gravy, but they didn't have any in stock, so they just gave me a portion of beans as an alternative. It's okay. Pretty cold, but not bad. By the way, this whole meal is for about £10.49. Pretty decent. Alright, let's try the fries. Very nice, light crunch, nicely seasoned, quite salty. Not bad. Standard fries, but yeah, dunked in beans for some additional flavor. Overall, it's a pretty decent meal for the price of just over £10. I would say it's pretty reasonable deal in this living crisis / inflation to get a burger, portion of fries, side of your choice, portion of wings and a drink. But yeah, that being said, ensure that you consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more reviews like this. I hope you enjoyed this series of Affordable Eats, and I'll see you in the next review.